You know, everybody's waiting to cook, man. I mean, it's like ever since the nutrition unit, man. Like, you know,
Lord,
anybody can wait.
Let's
go.
One.
Ha! I need a kitchen that's sanitized. I tie my hair back and wear my clothes with shoes, tie an apron, wash hands so they're sterilized.
Woo!
Follow all directions, read my recipe, and I'll finish the lab, get it organized. My kitchen's clean, really, I did it legitly. We finished on time, I am not surprised. Well, you asking what are the 6 nutrients?
What?
Blend them up, they'll be our ingredients.
Blend them up.
Carbs, water, minerals, and fat. Vitamins, protein, yeah, you got that.
Let's see.
I'm balancing all that I eat. Keep my daily values 100. Think about what I put in my mouth, calories in and out. I keep track and don't wonder.
Let's go.
Eat in moderation most days. Limit junk food and fast food always.
A little.
No, we need exercise, yeah, we dig, try to get 60 minutes a day so we stay fit. Moving is good, let's agree.
Move.
Eating all 5 groups is key. Eating healthy, yeah, we good at it. Nutrition facts, take a look at it. We like, ha! I need a kitchen that's sanitized.
Let's go.
I tie my hair back and wear my clothes to shoes, tie an apron, wash hands so they're sterilized.
Okay.
Follow
Woo.
all directions, read my recipe, and I'll finish the lab, get it organized.
Yeah.
My kitchen's clean, really, I did it legitly. We finished on time, I am not surprised.
Let's go.
3
Yeah.
teaspoons in a tablespoon. Hey, when you go switch to the full, I thought you'd never ask. Use different measuring equipment for wet and dry things. Measuring spoons used for both. That's a win, gotta measure right. If you scoop it, you swoop it, no biggie.
No big.
Except flour, then snowfall, oh really? Level with a spatula, not tricky. You always pack brown sugar down in the cup.
You pack.
If you spill, make sure you clean it up.
Clean up.
We should clean up for the whole duration, not just at the end when we're trying to go.
Okay.
Prevent cross contamination, that's unsafe and nasty. Germs can be so gross.
So gross.
All this food we make can be tasty. Hand me something to chop so my skills can show. Here you go. Ha! I
Okay.
need a kitchen that's
Okay.
sanitized. I tie my hair back and wear my clothes to shoes, tie an apron, wash hands so they're sterilized.
Woo.
Follow all directions, read my recipe, and I'll finish the lab, get it organized. My kitchen's clean, really, I did it legitly. We finished on time, I am not surprised.
The song for like, for students in Miss LitWin's class, the ones that go to facts by day, then, practice the skills to the problem.
Ha! I need a kitchen that's sanitized.
Okay.
I tie my hair back and wear my clothes with shoes, tie an apron, wash hands so they're sterilized.
Woo.
Follow all directions, read my recipe, and I'll finish the lab, get it organized. My kitchen's clean, really, I did it legitly. We finished on time, I am not surprised.
not.
Oh, you asking what are the 6 nutrients?
What?
Blend them up, they'll be our ingredients.
Blend 'em up.
Carbs, water, minerals, and fat. Vitamins, protein, yeah, you got that.
Let's see.